One of the most requested features from our previous app version was to provide additional details into how much money customers have saved and earned today, this week, this month, this year, or over the life of their Red Earth private power plant. Our previous app only presented data from that current month, which many customers found quite limiting. So here you go, a new and improved financial outcome screen that gives you your total system value across any time horizon. Like our previous app, this screen shows you how much you saved and earned with your Red Earth private power plant. It also provides you with a view of how much you've spent on electricity from the grid alongside your solar and battery via the electricity purchases option. Each of these options can be toggled on and off by pressing the legend at the bottom, and that allows you to focus on specific elements of your system. Underneath the graphic, it shows specific values for the chart. When you select a certain day to focus on, it'll provide you with exactly the outcomes of that day, how much you've saved, how much you've earned, and how much electricity you had to purchase from the grid, if any. If you haven't selected a certain day, it'll default to showing a consolidated view of all the days of that month. Below this table, there's a set of buttons that allow you to look at all the days in a month, all the months in a year, or the lifetime of your system since it's been installed. This can be useful for seeing seasonal trends or abrupt changes to your system functionality. For our Optimum customers, your customer advocate will also highlight these sorts of trends for you. One of the interesting things I do when looking at my system is looking at anticipated cash flows. I do this by toggling off the savings element and comparing earnings versus electricity purchases. Just a simple comparison of which bar is larger allows you to determine if you should expect a bill or a credit this month. While the concept is similar to the previous app, we think these changes will make it much more useful to you. We hope you enjoy it.